Hey friends, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix Red Dead Redemption Netflix app crashing or crashes at a startup on Android. So here follow the fixes. The first fix is to simply restart or reboot your phone. So just restart your phone, and after your device restart, then launch Red Dead Redemption app and check if your problem is solved or not. Second solution is to check for Red Dead Redemption Netflix app update. So open Play Store, tap on search for Red Dead Redemption Netflix, and then tap on it. And if you find any update available for this app, then update it, and then go ahead, launch the game and check if your problem is fixed or not. Next solution is to check for internet connection. So please check and make sure that your internet is working properly. Now if you are connected to mobile data, then switch to Wi-Fi and then check. And if you are connected to Wi-Fi, then switch to mobile data and then check. If possible, then you can also connect to a different Wi-Fi or mobile data network via hotspot and then check Red Dead Redemption Netflix app is working or not. Next solution is to force stop Red Dead Redemption Netflix app. So tap and hold the app icon, then click on app info, then click on force stop, and then again click on force stop to confirm it, and then launch the game and check if your problem is fixed or not. If not, then clear the Red Dead Redemption Netflix app cache. So again tap and hold the app icon, then click on app info, and then click on storage usage, and then click on clear cache and confirm it, and then click on clear data and then confirm it, and then go back, launch the game and check if your problem is fixed or not. If still your problem is not solved, then allow the background activity for the Red Dead Redemption app. So again tap and hold the app icon, then click on app info, then click on battery usage, and then click the first option, allow background activity, and then again click on allow to confirm, and then go back, launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Next solution is to connect to a VPN. So open Play Store, tap on search for VPN and tap on it, and then you can install any VPN of your choice from the Play Store, such as VPN, Surfshark VPN, Octohide VPN, Proton VPN, BPass VPN, NordVPN. So you can install any VPN of your choice from the Play Store and then launch the VPN app, connect to a different location than your current location, and then launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Now if you are already connected to a VPN, then disconnect it and then check. Now after following all of the fixes, and if still your problem is not solved, then uninstall and reinstall the Red Dead Redemption Netflix app. So tap and hold the app icon, then click on uninstall, and then again click on uninstall to confirm it, and then just restart your device once. And after your device restart, open Play Store, tap on search for Red Dead Redemption Netflix app, and then tap on it, and then click on install button to reinstall it. Now if still your problem is not solved, then you must check Red Dead Redemption Netflix app server status. If you find that their server status is down, offline or under maintenance, then you have to wait for their server status to get back online, and then you can check back later. So by following these fixes, you can easily fix Red Dead Redemption Netflix app crashing issue or crashes at a startup on Android phones. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and share this video, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel to get the latest updates. Thank you.